Hello, my name's Jeff with Signature Real Estate Group. It's been a while since I've done a video, so I wanted to get one out here. I do a lot of live stuff, but anyway, here's my little introduction. Let's get started. Hey, I'm back. Okay, as we start into 2019, let's do a little recap of how it was in 2018. As we've seen the market kind of change. We've seen it kind of get a little unstable, as the newspapers and so forth have said. But here's actually what's going on. We've seen some, in fact, let's show you a couple articles from the newspaper that just came out. And, I mean, these things just came out today. So here we go. This is from the Las Vegas Review-Journal. So the National Association of Realtors, they're quoting, said that Tuesday that sales of existing homes fell 6.4% to a seasonally adjusted annual rate of 4.99 million last month. Now, this is for the whole nation. They're also saying this was the worst pace in almost 3 years. So that's a major change. I mean, we're seeing this. We're seeing the market change. You know, I've been talking about it for a while, how the market's been changing the last couple months anyway. Here's another quote from the exact same paper. And they are quoting Trulia here, the economist from Trulia. But you see, looking ahead to 2019, expect weaker existing home sales as the new year ushered in a government shutdown. We all know that's going on. And worsening economic uncertainty, said Cheryl Young. We'll credit her for doing that. So we're seeing this radically change. Kind of interesting. I was reading another article in CNBC, and it was saying that you know, the market's changed radically, and I think this is, it actually says in there, realtors are baffled on what's going on in the market. How the hell can you be baffled? I mean, seriously, how the hell can you be baffled? If we look at this, if we look at the trend of active listings from year 2017 to 2018, we can see 2018 has drastically gone up. Look at it compared to 2017 in the year or in the month of December. Huge difference, huge discrepancy, and you can see this as it's going up. Now we look at the number of sales. Let's check out the number of sales. We see they've been going down. And you can see there that there's less sales, the blue line there, less sales than 2017. So obviously, basic supply and demand. How can realtors be confused? If you're confused, I'm sorry, you shouldn't be in the business. Now let's look at an overlay. You can see the overlay just from 2018. You see here, you see the blue line. That is the number of inventory. The inventory has been radically climbing, and yet look at the number of sales. It's gone down. It's going to change. We are going to see this trend happen. Interest rates have been going up. They're announcing it's going up. We have a government shutdown going on. Come on, basic economics here. What's going on, people? Now, here we see the numbers. They were low in December. They're always low in December. That's traditional for every single year. I mean, there's not as many people moving in December, so that's normal. We will see an uptick. We are seeing, I will say this, we are seeing a bunch of millennial buyers coming in. Well, they don't know the history. They don't know where homes have been. They're newer buyers. They're coming in. They're buying mostly a lot of the sight unseen too. They're finding this stuff online. I mean, come on, they're online shoppers. So this is what's happening. They're coming in. They're buying these homes. They don't know what interest rates are. They don't understand interest rate increase. They just know what they want. They want a home. They're buying a home. So millennial buyers are on the rise, which is a good thing. That's going to be our next resource of buyers. Now, these are around the age of 30 is what I'm talking about. They're newer buyers coming in, entry level. They're doing a lot of FHA-type loans, so low down payment. I was reading another article that it was kind of funny. They're actually calling it, these millennials are going to the bank of mom and dad. Well, I mean, that's just it. A lot of them are living paycheck to paycheck, so they don't have the money down. So they are borrowing from their parents to do this. I mean, it's great for the parents to do this as long as they can afford the house. So that trend will continue. We'll have to wait and see what 2009 has in store for us. If this trend continues, if we trend upward in active listings, the number of people coming on versus the number of sales, we will continue to see prices adjust, level off, kind of drop. Typically, we see a bunch of people come on in January, February. These are the people that waited through the holidays. They didn't want to list their home. They don't want to go on the market during the holidays. So they wait till January, February to come on. So we're going to see another spike in inventory. That is normal for every year. So don't be shocked when you see it come up. What we need to watch is those number of sales. If we see the inventory continue to climb and the number of sales just level off or start to drop, now we're going to start to see price adjustments. And we've already seen that in the upper echelon of the market, and here in Vegas especially. Days on market's radically increased. The prices of the homes are starting to adjust. We're seeing more and more price adjustments on homes in general. And a lot of those are just people that went on too high to start with. But we're starting to see those start to adjust. So we'll have to wait and see. Hope you found some of this information kind of interesting, kind of where things go. If you're on the fence about buying, if you're well, I'm going to wait till the market crashes. I hear that. Well, you're going to pay more in interest rates because they're trending up. So that's where you're going to look at. Give me a call. A lot of it you want to base upon how much time you're going to be in that house. That'll gauge what type of loan you want to do, what type of interest rate you're looking at. If you're looking at a long term buying a home, then we have different ways of going about that versus the guy that's going to move in, sell in a year, want to make a bunch of money. It's different plan of action for each person. So give me a call. You can see my number right here, so we can get that set up for you. I can kind of advise you on what you want to do and the timeline, and just let you know what's happening in the market so you can make the best informed decision. So if you're looking at selling, obviously you see right now where the trends are going. So if you are looking at selling, it might be time to jump on that and get that done before the inventories climb up too much more. But anyway, give me a call. And everyone out there, make it a great day.